I have here the Tenker K1 4K action camera. I've always wanted to try out one of these GoPro style action camera, but the price tag always stops me. And this one, it's amazingly affordable. When I ordered it, I honestly don't know what I'd expect. And here it is, the box when it got here. I was very pleasantly surprised, right? It's a very nicely packaged box. Reminds me a little bit of the Anker kind of product. You open it, and you'll see again, packaging is definitely Anker style, Apple style, right? The camera's right here, 2 boxes stuffed full of accessories. So let me open them and then show you what's inside. So this is almost funny, right? I didn't expect that there was so much stuff inside. So no, I cannot tell you what's inside because it's going to take me quite a while to sort it out. I did find the user guide, which have multilingual instructions. I'm going to read through this. Here's a selfie stick, which maybe we can use it for something else as well. But lots of stuff. First thing to do is obviously charge this guy up. So let's actually look at camera. So it comes, I guess, in the waterproof casing here. So let's open this up by unlocking this. Oh, this is very good. The back comes out, and here we go. This camera, let's do a size comparison. It's an iPhone 8, so about that big. So now I gotta go charge it up. The ports are here, so I need to do a USB charge. And also one thing is that this thing does not ship with an SD card. So I need to find an SD card, format it, and then put it to action. So here I have the camera in the waterproof case mounted to a bicycle helmet using some of the accessories. So there's 2 extensions on top of the quick release, on top of the mounting plate, and then the straps to hold it onto the helmet. So this is all the reviews I'm going to do using the film camera. I'm going to attach to the end of this review some action footage that we have taken. But before I say that, the conclusion here is that the camera video quality is really, really good. The other cool thing is it has an iPhone app that you can use remotely to control the camera, which is useful sometimes. So the cool thing about that is you can use the app to manage the media. So I can delete footage off the camera without going through the buttons, which is a pain. And also I can download them directly onto my devices. So when I finish filming, I actually use this iPad to pull the videos down, wire Wi-Fi, and then straight into editing. So highly recommend it. Honestly, GoPro was truly innovative when they first started, but now these cheaper brands are just as good, and I would get these instead.